हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू गॉसिप के लिए। आज हम आपका बिना कोई टाइम वेस्ट किए सिर्फ एक सादा सिंपल सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं। वी हैव सीन एयरपोर्ट्स, राइट? वी फ्रीक्वेंटली विजिट एयरपोर्ट्स, बट डू वी रियली सी व्हाट हैपेंस इनसाइड देम? नहीं, हमें उसमें इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं रहता। बट तस्करी तस्करी इज समथिंग दैट रियली टेक्स अस टू दैट हिडन वर्ल्ड. इट शोज द रियलिटी ऑफ दैट हिडन वर्ल्ड. सो व्हाट इज तस्करी? यू गाइज मस्ट बी डेफिनेटली थिंकिंग कि तस्करी क्या है, हम हर जगह सुन रहे हैं. बट तस्करी इज अ नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज दैट इज गोइंग टू बी रिलीज ऑन 14th January. बाय द वे, जिसका कल ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो चुका है. सो गाइज, जिसने भी नहीं देखा, प्लीज जस्ट गो वॉच इट. इट इज गोइंग टू लेवल अप द क्यूरियोसिटी इन यू फॉर दिस सीरीज. एंड नाउ बैक टू द टॉपिक कि तस्करी क्या है. सो द रियल मोटिव बिहाइंड तस्करी इज सिंपल येट पावरफुल. वी हैव सीन काउंटलेस क्राइम स्टोरीज, gangsters, cops, smugglers, but very rarely do we see stories that focus on airports, custom officers, and the silent battles fought behind every single day. Raghav Jairat and Neeraj Pandey, the directors of Taskari, has also revealed that Taskari was born from the thought that smuggling doesn't always happen in dark alleys or borders, but it also happens where we feel the safest. Yes, like airports. Yes, airports are familiar, airports are busy and ordinary to us, which is exactly why their hidden side goes unnoticed. So, Taskari is not only about catching smugglers, but it is also about the system, the psychology, the silence, and the people who stands between the crime and the country without any applause. Taskari aims to shine a light on this unseen world where custom officers work under a lot of pressure, has to make tough choices, and to stop crimes that passengers never even think of can happen. Taskari theme wise is very refreshingly different because it not only shows smuggling as an action spectacle but also as a psychological game where every decision matters and where one mistake can change your life. It also stands out because Taskari doesn't try to shock you, it slowly pulls you in. So the Smuggler's Web stars Imran Hashmi as a custom officer leading a case against a smuggling syndicate, with Sharad Kelkar as the crime boss, Bara Chaudhary, and this web also features Anurag Sinha, Anuja Sate, Amrita Khanvilkar, and Zoya Afroz, all under creator of Neeraj Pandey for Netflix.